at the green, there is a word. What's that? Yes. Mark Heaton's dropped back at the moment. He's dropping back. He's in second from the rear. Wow! Look at that blue one up the inside! Chris Davis! Look at that one! Australia won! He's a rocket! The 9, Graham Ruggeloo. He's up to 4th. They don't muck around. Wayne Stacey out front. And Chris Davis. The others are gone. The 7th got it out of it. Wow. '45's gone down in the low stop. Davis keeping